Hi everyone, Peter from Trolley Emporium here. So in this video we're going to make this picture hanger. So you can keep all your pictures nice and safe, or notes or anything you want to. And then you can hang it up as well. So you're going to need card, pens, little gems, lollipop sticks, big chunky ones, a bulldog clip, and then some glue. You can use any glue really. I'm going to use a glue gun just because it's quick and easy. So the first thing you want to do is we just need a bit of card that will go on the back to fix it all together. So you just need to cut out a bit that's big enough. The easiest way to do that, one card down, one stick, sorry. Pop that down and just make it a bit shorter than what the sticks are. And put all your sticks down next to each other. And then that's how big they are. You just want to do a bit less so the paper doesn't stick out. And you can just draw a square. And then cut that out. You don't have to be too accurate, so don't worry. So next you want to get your glue, whatever glue you're using. And we're going to start just laying down the sticks. So a bit of glue down. So if you're using PVA or anything like that, let that dry before you start doing the next bit. So we're just going to start drawing some patterns on your pieces, and then we're also going to stick down your gems, and then you can do whatever pattern you like. You can draw a little picture, you can just go crazy, have fun. So next you're just going to get your bulldog clip and then clip it on, and that way you can put pictures in there, whatever you fancy, and then you can also hang it up on the wall or something as well. But you're all done.